breakfast. Shayo. Shayo. You go bow for.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be like a hygiene self-care type routine today. I didn't feel like wearing makeup or anything, so I'm just like, you know what, let's just do a self-care, body care, all that good stuff routine. I'm going to be showing you guys what products I use, and I'm also just going to be showing you guys what skincare products, body care, and all of that good stuff. And yeah, let's get started with the video. If you guys want to watch, like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And yeah, let's get started. Once I'm done brushing my teeth, I do use this homemade scrub that I have. It's almost gone. You can clearly tell that I love it. And then I use this like body and shower lotion, the Nivea. And after I take a shower, I do use the Olay foaming cleanser. I love this thing. It really does help, clearing my skin. And then after I wash my face, I use this vitamin C and collagen face mask. And when I tell you guys, I love this. It makes my skin feel like a baby's bottom or something. It's just really soft and it makes my skin feel really good. And I just rub in the serum after I'm done using it. And then I use my Olay moisturizer that I love oh so much. I've been using that since like forever. You can clearly tell I love it. And then for extra hydration, I do use the Nivea lotion for just extra hydration. I know I don't really have to, but I like to use this for my skin. And then you need some deodorant, girl. You don't want them pits to be stinking. So yeah. And then after that, today I wasn't really doing anything, so I just moisturized my lips. And I literally wasn't doing anything today. So I just put my hair right back up in a ponytail. And just because I'm staying home, I like to smell good. So I put on every day. Well, not every day. But this is my morning hygiene routine / self-care. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, give it a thumbs up. Like, comment, subscribe if you want more videos like this. And I will see you guys in the next video.